Comedian beats the NPA. Vanakkams, namaskaram, namaste, salams and salutations. So many, detractors and haters like to spin the narrative that I'm a comedian, hence I'm a bit of a doers, not smart, likened to a clown, etc., etc. Well, they need a bit of schooling. Let me take you back to 2021. Now, my Pak with the Posey campaign, which was championing the rights of Indian people, upset the ANC stalwarts, or should I say, the ANC bootlickers. Anyway, through all of that, I was then issued with a protection order for things I apparently said. I was then charged for violating that protection order, and I was then arrested. The Post Langara newspaper wasted no time to feature me on the front page. Arrest warrant for comedian. So I had to engage a legal team who said that I was guilty and that I should negotiate a settlement. Now, from what I gathered about my case and studied what the law said, I believe that I was not guilty. I then fired my legal team and I decided to represent myself in criminal court. Now, if found guilty, I could face up to 5 years in jail for violating that protection order. Other lawyers told me that a person who represents himself as a fool, as a client. Nonetheless, I went ahead. I was going toe-to-toe with seasoned prosecutors from the NPA, the National Prosecuting Authority. They were charging me because they believed they had a case. I spent 8 months in criminal court, and I had the balls to tell the female prosecutor, I'm going to make you look like a schoolgirl in your own courtroom. Now, I also wrote to the NPA, the director of the NPA, and told them, I'm going to school your prosecutor, and it's going to make the NPA look very, very stupid. Now, before we went to trial, the director of the NPA wrote to the prosecutor at Escort Court and advised, decline to prosecute. Decline to prosecute, bro. We didn't even go to trial. You know why? It's what I maintained in the first place. They had no case. I was not guilty. Noting well that my seasoned attorney at the time told me that I was guilty. Now in 2022, I started legal proceedings against the state for what is termed wrongful arrest and malicious prosecution. 6 respondents there: the Minister of Police, the arresting officer, the National Director of Prosecutions, the prosecutor, the Minister of Justice and Correctional Services, as well as the magistrate. Now, if you didn't know, the arresting officer and the prosecutor get sued in their personal capacity for wrongful arrest and malicious prosecution. That case is now in a default judgment state. My life was turned upside down when I was arrested and publicly defamed and humiliated. But I told all of them back then, I'm a scorpion. I don't forget. I'm coming for you. Since then, I have won numerous cases in court, which most of you know, most notably against attorney Yugan Naidu, who seems to enjoy losing against me. I even had magistrates removed from the bench. Now, to the voter who's watching, what do I offer as a comedian? Who would you rather have standing in your corner? A keyboard gangster who wants to call me out? Or someone like me who's prepared to stand up for you? To the haters and detractors, my own Charo brothers are hating on me. Leave the keyboard, the tick-tock, tick-tick-tick-tick-tick. I challenge you to a public debate. All of you against me, the clown. I promise you, none of you will pitch up because I've done this before. I've challenged, none of you will pitch up. You know why? You know for a fact, I will roll you. I will roll you 7 days a week, twice on Sunday. Oh, by the way, catch me on Morning Live, SABC2. Just to make your ass burn even more. Wednesday, the 24th of April from 7:15. Write to the SABC and tell them some things about me. Right, go. Right. I'll be live in studio. In the meantime, done what you must, done what you crave. T.R. Murli, Thanasegaran, Rubanathan, Murli. I'm no ordinary human being. It's time to take my rightful place as a leader, champion for the Charos.
Dondala.